This one is a doozy. This one, you are getting, watch this, hang on. So you are getting dies on the front. You're getting 18 dies. You're getting dies on the front and dies on the back. Now, when you get this and you go, hey, I didn't get all 18, don't email Faylene. I want you to turn it over because they're on the back. Why? It saves me a little bit in weight and it saves me a little bit in cash to do it back to back like this. Cheryl says, Stephanie, how do I go about subscribing to the Die Cut Club? Not sure about the name. Yes, Cheryl, what you're going to do is add on our website. Thank you for asking. On our website, you're going to go to thestampsoflife.com. Up at the top, it's going to say join the club. Now, the Die Hard Club, that is where you get the stamps and the dies that match. This is our most popular club, by the way. There's 4 options. There's the Stamp Club, there's the Die Hard Club, there's the Fold It Club, which is the Shaped Card Club, and then there's the box club called the Card Kit Club. So if you want to join the Die Hard Club, you're going to click on the Die Hard button, fill out all the information, and you're going to click join, and then boom, half a second later, the computer will know you're a club member, and you will get the club discount on everything that you buy. Everything. 15% off everything on the website. Everything. That's not excluding this, excluding that, excluding, no. Everything. That's it. Everything. I know, isn't that weird? I love being able to say everything. Because usually it's everything except this and this and this and this and this and this. You know, you go to the big craft stores and they give you those coupons and they're like 40% off one item except, and in the fine print, it's 40 different items that you wanted to buy. No, everything. Let's see. Yes, the Die Hard set, you get the stamp and the dies every month. Tara says, Tara, bless you. Tara says, just go Diamond because it's the best. Tara is in all of the clubs. She gets the Die Hard Club and the Fold It Club and the Card Kit Club. But if you're brand new to the Stamps of Life, it's okay to start with just one club. We'll get you eventually on the other ones, right, Tara? Are you ready for this one, you guys? This one. First of all, what is it? So one part of it, especially if you get the bundle, if you get the one, you need to get the other. So if you get this, you need to get the other piece. If you get the other piece, you need to get this. I'm selling them separately because eventually, if, like Pamela said, what if I want to order more of the clamshells later? So that's why they're separate. So this is the die set, front and back. The candy boxes, we're calling them candy boxes. There are 24 in here. There are 24 cases. So there's 6 of each one. There's 24 and hang on. Regular price is $27.99. Flash sale is $16.79. Gold is $13.43. Now, what is it? Watch this. It is little pieces so you can send little treats to somebody. Here you can send them little M&Ms on a cute little card. Here you can put this on the front of a card if you wanted to. More M&Ms, send them a little card. Look how cute. Could you mail these? No, don't mail these. Unless you're putting it in a box. Oh, look at this one. This one is cute. It has little reindeer food in there, little oatmeal. Isn't that cute with the cute little reindeer and the little make a wish and close your eyes tight, then sprinkle on your lawn at night. As Santa's reindeer fly and roam, this food will guide them to your home. That's one of our stamp sets. And look how cute that is with the reindeer. Now, you are probably saying, Stephanie, that's really cute. Look at these cute little, what are these, Good and Plenty's or Mike and Ike's? One of those. So cute. Yes, Quilty, they are also great for shaker cards. Absolutely. If you're not a fan of making shaker cards, which I will turn you into one eventually, yes, absolutely. These are, they're like a Mike and Ike will fit in here with a little extra room, but they're also perfect for shaker cards. Most definitely you could make it a shaker card. So you're all saying, okay, that's really cute, Stephanie. There's candy in there. How do I get it out? Part of the dies, and I'm going to show you, don't worry. Part of the dies, watch this, you guys. Let's do 2. Part of the dies is this little thing. You're going to open it up, and out come the candy. Look at that. There is a trap door back there, and there is the candy. Is that adorable or what? Love it. Now, let me show you some other samples, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it. Oh, here's my tea bag. Somebody asked about a tea bag. Here's a cute tea bag, fits in there perfect. Have some tea on me. Look at that. We can open that up and get that out of there and use that tea bag. So we're going to look at this in just a second. This one's nice and flat too, so that's even better. But look at that, easy access. Look at that, boom. Look how cute that is. So there's 4 shapes. You're getting this rectangle. You're getting this mini rectangle. You are getting a fun circle. What, 3? Okay, fun circle. Now I also want to tell you the sizes of all of these. And you are getting my favorite one. Where did it go? Why is it not here? Oh, it's over here. You're also getting this one. Now, this one. This is my fave. Now, really quick, I'm going to tell you the sizes. And this one's nice because there's no extra weird pieces on it. So just saying. So hang on, let's give you a size. This is about roughly 2.75 inches by roughly 0.75 inches. This one diameter is roughly 2 1/4. This one is roughly 2 1/2 by 3. And this one is roughly 1 1/4 by almost 2. 1 and 0.75. Now, what fits in all these? Hang on. Look at this. Here we go. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. This shape is in the die set. This shape is in the die set. Here's another. Oh, my favorite. Who made this one? I think Dina made this one. Tic Tacs. Tic Tacs, my favorite. Here's another one with lip gloss. Here's a cute one with, oh, this is actually the, so you can, okay, so here it is. Here's the jelly beans. One of the dies in the kit. So boom, you can be done just like this, right? Dies in the kit also include the little frame if you want to add a little frame to go around it. So this one does not have a frame. This one does have a frame. This one does. This one does. That's up to you. That's some of the dies in the set. So let's move those over, move that one over. Keep those out for a second. Here's, oh, do it on a different type. There's another cute one. Oh, let's do it on the jar. This is one of our jar fold-its. Look how cute that is. Love. Open that up. That's on the front, and you can easy access to get those yummies out.
Stephanie, if you buy this set of containers, is this something you'll be able to repurchase again in the future? Are you going to restock it?
Hopefully.
Okay.
Hopefully.
That sounds like a lot of people think.
Yeah, we have a lot right now, you guys. I bought a lot, so don't worry about these selling out right away. These are not going to sell out right away. The website is moving very, very slow, my friends. Very, very slow. There's a lot of people. Black Friday is a busy time. There's a lot of people on the website. Once you click add to cart, you just need to let it wait. Let it wait
until it moves to the next screen, right?
Just give it time.
It will all work.
Give it time.
Just be a slower process.
Yes, it's going to take time. Great for stocking stuffers. Yes, yes. Any ideas on how to use these dies without the clamshells? You could use some of them as peekaboo dies. Also, this one's like a bookmark size. So you can add, I mean, like if you just wanted to add something else to this die, you definitely could. They all coordinate together. So it's kind of like a matched set. So this one has, may your Christmas be wrapped in love and sprinkled in joy, with joy. Cute little Tic Tacs. Oh, here's another tea bag one. So cute. So where's the other tea bag one? Here it is. No, that wasn't it. Where'd it go? I lost it already. Oh, here it is. So yeah, the square one is great for tea bags. I'm going to make one of these, you guys, so hang tight. I'm going to show you how to make these. And here's another one with the fun lip gloss. Now, or chapstick or whatever you want to call it. Here's the deal. There are other things that will fit in these clamshells, including, are you ready for this? Smarty candies. Dun, 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 dun. Smarty candies. Smarty candies. Also the little, and I don't have any here, Ken, they're in the pantry, but I forgot to bring some out. The little Hershey bars, the miniature Hershey bars fit in here as well. Also, remember I said money. If you want to give someone money, ready? Watch this. Watch this. What if you wanted to give them $100? Obviously, I don't have a $100 bill, so I'm going to use $1. We're just going to roll this up, whatever number you want. You roll up any number. it's all gonna fit. And boom, there you go. You can even turn it so it'll show how much it is. Look, there you go. Now, I'm gonna show you how stinking easy this is. I've kind of started it. I die cut this one card. This is one of the dies in the set, right there. Cute because I'm using one of my pattern papers, so easy peasy. There we go. Then I am going to add some decoration. I'm going to add my cute little Santa there, and I am going to add, oh, hang on, let's grab one of these. I'm going to add my little money. Oh, actually, I already have one there. And these have, oh, also you guys, I'm sorry, these have adhesive on them too. These already have adhesive on them, so you don't have to try to glue these down. They have adhesive on them. There we go. Whoops, let's turn my dollar so it looks better. Oh, now I gotta rewind it. Let's try. So let's try this again. So you could put Smarties in here. You could put anything in this chapsticks, lip glosses. I love the dollar idea, or the $100 or $50 or $10. That's gonna go right there. I die cut one of my stitched stitched tags. This does not come in the kit. And I stamped with one of my stamp sets to and from. So there I have my to and from. That's gonna go probably like right there. And look at that, easy peasy. Now, before I do anything, I lay it out. Okay, this is like pretty much what I want it to look like, right about there. That looks good. I am going to get the peekaboo die. We have other dies like this, but this is a peekaboo die. And I am going to say, okay, I want that to be right here. So I'm going to flip this over. And oh, actually, well, no, actually I can do it this way. Yeah, I'm just going to lay that down right where I want it. And I'm going to get a little piece of, dun, 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 dun. Where's my, oh, lost my machine. So there we go. I'm going to grab my MIDI. I'm going to add that right there. And I'm going to get my folders. Figure out where you want it to be, lay that down, and I'm going to run this through. Simple, simple, simple. Russ says having the adhesive on them is a big thing. There are other websites where the clamshells do not have the adhesive pre-applied. Yeah, and ooh, it's a hassle. There we go. So now I have my little secret trap door here, right? My trap door. And you're like, oh, I don't like that. Don't worry, because you're not going to see it. Because look, right there, boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the adhesive backing, just like the adhesive sheets. Now it's all sticky, right? I'm going to lay this down right over that. Ta-da, press. Now the nice thing about these clear clamshells too is they really, really adhere. Not only do they adhere though, but you don't really see the plastic. I mean, can you see the I mean, I have to go like this for you to be able to see the plastic on the sides. When I go just like this, you don't even see it because it really adheres well to that. So now I'm just going to add a cute little guy here, just like that. And imagine giving this to somebody, right, for Christmas with maybe more than $1 in it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon to this. Let's see how fast Stephanie can do this. Now, if you have any questions, please ask. The website is moving a little slow.
How many clamshells come in each package?
24.
24.
24 come in a package. And so we're going to go ahead and tie this. And the adhesive is already added to them, which, as Russ pointed out, is very important. And you know why there's adhesive added to it? Because I wanted adhesive added to it, right? I don't want to have to get out some glue, and then I don't want glue all over my dollars and glue over all over. Oh, imagine glue on your M&Ms or glue on any candy or food you put in there. That's disgusting. That's the last thing you want, right? This organza always gets the best of me.
Reminder, if you could give us a thumbs up or hit the like button everywhere, that'd be great. It helps other people find us. So if you're enjoying the fun, that'll give them a chance to jump in too. And right now we need to do our chat contest because we're almost done. So for the chat contest, I need you to tell me what is your favorite item tonight. What is your absolute favorite item? Was it the clamshells? Was it the glitzy gatefold? Was it the love bug? Was it the, look at that, you guys.
Is that awesome or what? Now, if I'm ready to get my dollar out, I'm just going to yank that open, and there's my dollar. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, you guys. Jennifer says, thank you, Stephanie, for putting the adhesive on them. You are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.